Hey guys! Today I've stumbled upon an online secret source that offers unlimited Last War Survival free diamonds and gems straight into my account. I couldn't resist trying it out, and the process was surprisingly simple. The first step was gathering some important details from my game, including my Last War Survival username and the number of diamonds or gems I currently have in my account. Once I had those details, I decided to put this method to the test. I went online and followed the steps. I entered my game username, the number of Last War Survival free diamonds I wanted, and let the process begin. Everything was going smoothly, but soon I encountered a human verification task, which is an essential part of the method to ensure that real players are using the hack. The task was simple enough. Just download a game and play it until I reached level 9. I did exactly that, and in no time I was verified. After completing the verification, I went back to my Last War Survival game and was thrilled to see that the free diamonds I requested were now in my account. The process was straightforward and it really worked. These Last War Survival free diamond links are absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend giving them a try. Whether you're looking for Last War Survival free gems, Last War Survival diamonds hacks, or just a reliable method to get more resources, this is the solution you've been searching for. No more waiting or struggling to earn diamonds the hard way. For those of you who love Last War Survival and want to maximize your gameplay, this trick is a game changer. It's safe, effective, and easy to use. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get Last War Survival cheats that actually work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks to boost your gaming experience. Enjoy your free diamonds and gems, and keep dominating the game!